Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the alternator on this 2024 Chevy Malibu. The vehicle got towed in for shutting off even after jump starting it. So let's start by removing our ground cable, battery negative cable, and put it on the side. And we're gonna unplug our mass airflow sensor so we can remove the air intake box out of the way and take those wiring harness off the intake box. There it is. And we're gonna loosen those two bolts here. This is a 7mm, so you can remove on the intake bolt. And we're just gonna pull on the I meant to say the air filter box. It's the air filter box. You can just pull on it so you can remove it from the engine bay and set the box to the side. In order for us to take the alternator out, we have to take the drive belt off. We're gonna have to compress the tensioner using a 3/8 ratchet. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise and take the belt off the alternator. Try to remember how the belt go back in, because they go in a certain way. Now let's unplug our alternator here. There is a red tab. You have to pull it out and unplug the connector. Now let's remove our battery positive cable from the alternator. It is a 70mm. There it is. The alternator is held by 3 30mm, one nut and 2 30mm long bolt. The long bolt are at the bottom. So we're gonna remove them, but first let's remove these evap hose that go over the alternator. You just pull the red tab out and just unplug it and put it on the side so you can have more room to take the alternator out. Now I'm loosening the bolt from the alternator, and I'm gonna use my Milwaukee ratchet to speed up the process. There it is. Here they are. Now let's take the alternator out. Let's put the new one in, put the bolt in, and that's almost done, guys. Make sure the bolt are fully tight. Not too tight. Not too tight, obviously. Gonna plug everything back in and loop the belt around the alternator while compressing the tensioner. And it's that simple. You can do this in your driveway. Not too many tools needed for this. Just basic hand tools will do the trick. Now I'm gonna turn my long ratchet here counterclockwise and put the belt on. And that's it, guys. Put everything back in, put the airbox back in. It's the reverse of removal pretty much. And start your car. I had to jump start it again because the battery was so dead. I had to put the jump start in it so it can run. And while afterwards, I ended up getting the alternator was charging the battery. And that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, guys.